Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to bleed the coolant system, the inverter system on a Toyota Prius. This one is a 2008 model, but it's the same, I think, all the way from 2004 until 2008. We had to put new headlights and stuff, but you don't need to do that. And we drain the antifreeze to change the antifreeze. All you need to do is you need to add antifreeze to the radiator. You need to top it up, and the overflow bottle on the inverter right there. You need to make sure that this bottle, this overflow bottle, has enough antifreeze too. And you have to use the pink Toyota antifreeze. And now, right here where the bleeding system is, you need to remove that rubber. And then you need to get a 10mm wrench or socket, get it a little bit loose. And now you need to put a hose on top of it. And this hose needs to, you need to put it back in the overflow bottle, right there. Okay, we installed the hose already, as you can see, and it goes to the overflow bottle. And now you want to make sure that the overflow bottle is to the full, and you need to go inside the car and just turn the ignition on without starting the car. So what you need to do is you need to put the key in and then just press the power button twice, and this way it's going to start the pumps, the water pumps, the electric pumps, circulating right here. This one, you can hear it, and as you can see, the coolant is going through the line now, and we need to make sure that all the air comes out of it. It's gonna take you some time, as you can see. Let me show you some air going through the thing right there. So okay, here is the air. So you need to make sure that there is no air, just coolant coming. And then you need to make sure you're between the minimum and the full mark on your overflow bottle, on the inverter, and this one here. It's going to take you a while, but that's how you bleed the system. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let us know, and please subscribe for more videos. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.